Mom, she's very delicious. You made very delicious dishes for me. I say that, beta, you have not tasted it yet. So how can you say that? No. So this is responsible for this. They should support at least. Whether we are fail or pass in that situation, but parents should support always.
Yeah. And ma'am, sometimes parents expectation too much with their children.
Children, yeah.
Yeah. Like they all time expect like our children will do something better, and even children is doing uh like he's putting all of his effort, but
Hmm.
sometimes parents expect parents expectation too much. It's too much.
Yeah. This is the
Yeah.
reason.
Yeah. This is the reason. This is the reason.
Because there is a news that she has not qualified that Olam means what we can say tournament. She has not
Tournament.
qualified.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So that's why she has committed suicide. So that's
Yeah.
the life, up and downs are always there, but we have to fight.
Right, ma'am. Yeah. Ups and downs are the parts of life.
Yes,
So yeah. So rather than going suicide, so we should
accept.
accept. Yeah, we
Should
should accept.
accept our
Yeah,
failure. Also, failure is also
failure,
part of.
learning. Yeah,
Everybody fails. Everybody has to get up, and yeah, this is life. But nowadays, our youth don't understand this. They never
mm,
understand.
yeah, 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 yeah. Right, ma'am. Right. Like just because of she was Babita's cousin sister, so maybe like she was from Babita's cousin sister, so she got depressed. Like I am from Babita Fogart's sister, and if I'm not able to qualify a tournament, so what will people say me? Like this kind of thoughts.
Yeah, inferiority complex. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm,
yeah, yeah. You are saying you are true. Yeah.
yeah. So, ma'am, right now you are parents of two children. So, how can you provide about like how can someone give a good environment to their children?
Actually, I am. What can I say? Mm, they are free from my side.
Okay.
They whenever they want to study, they do. I don't pressurize that every time that you have to study, you have to learn, you have to do this. No, there is only her choice that whenever they want to study, they do that. But yes, they continuously do this, and I observe every time what they are doing. So I always watch my kids. And other than that, they have some hobbies like they like to dance. Both my daughters to dance.
Mhm.
So I have also created a YouTube channel
Wow.
because of my daughters. Because of my daughters, they have the ability. Yeah, they are so you can say they enjoy it when they dance, and that's why I have created. And I also like to dance, so sometimes I also dance with them.
Yeah. So it's a very
So
good
there is
thing.
no foundation from my side that you have to do this, you have to complete this. No, no. I make them free. If you
Mhm.
want to if you want to go outside, you can play. If you want to do this, you can do this. There is no foundation from my side. But manners and good habits should be there. So these
Mhm.
are the
Right.
yeah. My even my younger sister is much more you can say mature rather than my elder sister. She cares a lot, all the family members, not even me. Whenever she used to eat something, even it is a chips or something which is a small thing, she always runs towards me. Mom, first you will eat, then I will take it. First you eat. And whatever I cook, I am not a you can say good cook, but whatever I made for her, She always praises me, always. Even she doesn't, even before she tastes, she always says, Mom, this is quite tasty. This is so delicious. I said to her that, oh, you are not taste this yet. So why I tell you how to say this? So my younger sister, I'm talking about, she's
Mhm.
just 7 years. Seven is, no, she's just only 6 years, 6.5. So she has that mental, you can say she's quite mature, you
Quite
can
mature,
say.
yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
mature.
She praises me always. Even she has no, she not taste, she never tasted. Before she tastes, she always says that, Mom, she's very delicious. You made very delicious dishes for me. I say that, Beta, you have not tasted it yet. So how can you say that? No. So this is, I think she is different from my elder sister. My elder sister is quite different. Her nature is quite different.
Uh-huh. Mhm.
So see the difference between two kids.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, like, yeah, you are providing a good nature for your childrens, I would say, because as you earlier said, like they are free to do anything. Uh,
Yes,
like there are no restriction. There are no restrictions.
yes.
Like
Because
whatever they want to do.
this is their childhood. So it is the
Mhm.
age of growing. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I feel that, yeah. So which I suffer from my childhood, that I have so much I had so much foundation right from my childhood, because you can say, I am one sibling. I mean, I have only one elder brother and me. Means we
Mhm.
have two siblings only. So at that time I was very pampered child right from my childhood. I was so pampered child, and I was not spoiled child, but I was pampered. Yes, I you
Mhm.
can say. But so my mother was always with me whenever I want to go outside. She always with me. She always take care of me. So uh, can you believe that in my childhood I was so meek personality. Meek, you can say. I was
Mhm.
meek personality. Even I could not face any my relatives when they used to they used to go come our home. I could not face them. You can say I bounded with myself. I could not face them because I was so pampered. I don't know how to interact with people
Mhm.
in my childhood. I'm talking about my childhood. Means childhood, no, no, or I was there. Means you can say teenage. Up to teenage,
Mhm.
I was like that. I was having weak personality, totally weak. So that I think what can I say in this? But I don't give this environment to my children. I don't want to give this type of environment.
Right, right, ma'am. Right. Yeah, so this is a very good thing. This is a very good thing. Like you are
If you are
providing.
talking about spoken English, if you are
Mhm.
talking about spoken English, yes, I had a fear of English right from my childhood. Throughout my childhood, I had a fear of English. I hate English subject.
Okay, since your childhood.
Yeah, because I had passed my schooling up to 10th class from Hindi medium school up to
Mhm.
10th class. My maths was in Hindi, science was in Hindi, social science was in Hindi, all the subjects except English. शुक्र
Yeah.
है
Yeah, we like, yeah, we all read English as a subject in our schooling days, in our childhood days. Yeah. Yeah, even my all education, even I have done my graduation. So I have done my graduation in Hindi medium.
oh
So yeah. So after that, I decided to learn English. Like I have to speak. Yeah.
yeah, actually this is a very challenging for us. We
Right.
all are product of Hindi medium school,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
this
yeah.
is challenging, and you are doing very good job. No
Yeah.
one can no one can say that you are from Hindi medium school. You have passed your school from Hindi medium because your English, your grammar is quite, yeah, quite you can say awesome.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, actually, I am working on it. Daily, I do practice every day. Every day, I do practice with my friends. and I use different kind of apps to enhance my English speaking.
Yeah, I have seen lots of videos on Clappingo, English,
Yeah,
Yari. So,
yeah, yeah,
are you still taking the classes on Clappingo?
yeah. Yeah, still I'm taking.
So,
Yeah.
how's your experience there?
My experience is that, ma'am, suppose someone is beginner, like someone is completely beginner, like he doesn't know how to frame a sentence. So I would say Cambly clapping or English is not good for them.
Okay.
These platforms are good for those who knows English, who know how
Mm-hmm.
to make a
But you
sentence.
already know. You have to just polish yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, because yeah. And the one more thing is like I have to do some videos to upload my channel. So that's another reason I joined such kind of platform.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually,
So
I took a demo session on Clappingo because it was
mhm.
just only 1 rupee.
1 rupees. Yeah.
That is the good thing on of Clappingo,
uh,
I must say. So Akila ma'am, I think I chose Akila ma'am, and
Akhila, ma'am. Mhm.
she's quite kind lady and happy go.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, after that I applied for English Yari because it's I think package is quite cheaper
Yeah.
than
Yeah.
tapping.
Yeah. Yeah. Very affordable. Very affordable price. English Ari. Yeah.
English Yari. So, are you still taking on clapping?
Yeah, ma'am. Still, I'm taking Clappingo as well as English Ari.
Okay, both.
Yeah,
Okay.
both.
So, how do you manage your study with these English classes and your self study is also there? So, how do you
Yeah.
manage?
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, I made a timetable. So every day I give, I would say, 3 to 4 hours to my English.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apart from that, I do my self study for my government examination. And apart from there are a lot of work in village area, And
Ah,
this is
yeah.
paddy time, and yeah, so sometime I have to go fields for cultivating our paddy plants. So there are a lot of work in village. Yeah.
Yeah. So, you are workaholic person.
Yeah, you can say.
Yeah,
Yeah.
quite good. We Pahadi are workaholic, whether it comes to household chores, whether it comes to professional work.
Yeah, and Pahadi guy is very hardworking, I would say. All are very hardworking.
Yeah, that's true. My father is, i- actually he can do all the work, all the household chores he can do. My father
Mm.
is an you can say independent man. Yeah, actually he is a self-made man. I
Mhm.
never seen my grandparents in my life. Never seen. Because
Grandparents.
my father, yeah, when my father was very small,
Mhm.
his mother and father passed away. He was so small. I think my father's age was at that time only 5 years.
So small.
So that's why I'm saying that he's a self-made.
Mhm. Yeah, you're
And
right.
he's quite you can say fun loving person, very fun loving, so much fun loving. He can make everybody laugh, everybody, on a small thing.
Yeah, this is the quality of a good man.
Mm.
If you make someone happy, so this is the very good part.
And one incident is this: when we are new, uh, we have we had changed our house. Actually, my father was a government employee, so we had the staff quarter. But after that, we sometime we had our own house, so we shifted from there. And so he there's a time limit,
No, no, no.
so
You can
he
continue.
forgot all the time that where he had to go because
Mhm.
at that time he had a bicycle. He never
Okay.
he never ride any motorbike, motorcycle in his
Mm.
life. So he had a bicycle at that time, and he always forgot that where he had to go. He always turned his bicycle towards our old house. So these are the things he always he always make laugh of our father, and he always make laugh always. So this is the you
This is the
can say.
memories. Memories. This is the memories you have.
Actually, we always cherish these memories. I always cherish. Whenever I wasn't, I feel low or some kind of sadness feel. So I feel these memories. I cherish these memories with my father because I have a anything else.
Yeah, ma'am. I think it has been, I think, 37 or 38 minutes. So I will show you something. My village.
Yeah, you can see.
So,
And
so
how's
now
the
you can,
weather in
ma'am. It's totally cloudy.
cloud?
It's cloudy.
Yeah, I
Uh,
can.
you can see.
The temperature here.
Right now,
Temperature.
I think, yeah, I think it will be around 20.
Okay, so means some kind of coldness can feel.
Not coldness, but it's very good.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so ma'am, you can see this is my village where I live in.
Quite beautiful.
Yeah,
I can must say.
yeah, so it's very
All
good.
yeah.
Yeah, so you can see
These
greenery
are
is
your
every.
these are your fields.
Yeah, these are our fields. Yeah, you can see behind of
Okay,
me.
okay.
These are our
Yeah.
fields. Yeah.
Hmm.
So ma'am, this is the beauty of Uttarakhand. And you are from Uttarakhand. You all know very about. You all know the things because you are from Pori Gadwal.
Yeah, I definitely know this.
Yeah.
So beautiful area. Yes.
Yeah.
You take all the oxygen. You are taking all the oxygen from environment. You are
Yeah.
responsible for COVID-19 situation.
Yeah. Actually, we are taking fresh oxygen, I would say fresh,
Yeah.
because there are a
Yes. Lot of breezes here. Yes.
lot of greeneries everywhere. So, ma'am, I think we should wrap up our session.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I have a great session with you, and you are a great personality. And keep up the good work, keep the hard work on, and best of luck for your future.
Yeah. Same thing, ma'am. Thank you. And today I learned a lot of things from you, and it was a great conversation, I would say. And you shared some incident with me, and so I feel very good. Yeah.
Same here.
Yeah. So, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you once again. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.